it's Amazing Arabella, and today I'm going to be showing you all FabLab's brand new Nail Art Deluxe kit, which I have right here, and I must say it looks amazing. I'm so in love with their new packaging design. The colours and patterns look super cool. So this box right here is actually made out of cardboard, which is reusable and eco-friendly. How cool is that? So as you guys can see, everything is super organized, which makes it easier to find the colors that I want to use on my nails and the tools I need to make my nails look amazing. While you're painting your nails with your FabLab kit, you can insert your smartphone, either listen to music or watch a tutorial on how to paint your nails with your FabLab kit, and it's super handy, guys. I'm in love with this feature and I cannot wait to try it out. So now let's take a look in the box. As you guys can see at the top here, we have our 9 solvent varnishes, and the colors we do have are blue, orange, lilac, hot pink, white, transparent, red, purple and green, 4 ombre sponges, 5 nail masks, 2 sheets of nail stickers, 1 foam toe separator, 1 emery board, 1 fine brush and 1 12-page instruction manual. So I'm going to go with the ombre nails first because they sound super cool and I really want to try them out. So the first step of doing your ombre nails is getting your fingernail mask and adding it to your finger.
You then need to get your white varnish and apply that as a base coat.
Once that's dry, get your sponge ready and start adding your coloured varnishes to your sponge one by one. Once they've been added, gently dab the sponge on your finger and hold it down for a few seconds before letting go, and once you've let go, you should have a beautiful ombre colour, and guys, it's as easy as that. I've done my ombre nails, now it's time to move on to my sticker nails. So what I'm going to do is apply any colour varnish to my nails. Once you've painted your nails, you can then pick a sticker from your sticker sheet and apply it to your nail very carefully. Once you've applied your sticker, then add your clear varnish and you're all done. And there you guys have it. How quick and easy was that? I'm in love with this FabLab kit and these nails are looking amazing. I love the colours, they're super trendy and cool. But if any of you at home want to try out this FabLab kit that I have right here, then make sure you do, and if you do, don't forget to check out FabLab's other deluxe kits such as their Hair Flare Deluxe kit. Guys, it's been Amazing Arabella. It's time I love you and leave you, so bye!